how's it going, Taco fam and friends? Got something that just came in. It was a little early birthday gift from the girl. Let's open it up, eh? Alright, so it says specifically not to open it from the sides, cut it from the top, pull it all out. So let's get that going. Actually, we should probably take off the racks first. Finally getting rid of these. These were absolute garbage. Shoot. Alright, let's unbox this. Get all this stuff out. It says to carefully slide out of the box. Carefully slide all the hardware out of the box. Okay, rear side. Mount the rear retainer to the rear of the side, the long side. So I'm learning from this is they didn't really drill out these holes very big. You have to smash them in the first couple times, and then after that it should be good. This goes up here, so about a half an inch or 9/16 clamps. They need to be 10 inches from the back. Some of the dogs are going off right now. Some of those dogs are freaking out. Alright, with these I just hand tightened them just because I know later down the line we might have to do some adjustments. They're all hand tightened. Alright, so it's time to assemble this baby. Alright, so everything on this side, driver's side, has a bunch of dots. You just color match the dots. Pinchy maker, so be cool. Oh. Okay, so you're gonna go through, take out these pins. They said specifically don't lose these or else you're. And then you're going to take this. thinking, completely forgot to attach these two other bars to it. I can do that really quick. I don't know if it's just mine, but it's kind of ovaled out. Might have to bang it out a little bit. But this blue dot one that I had right here was the dude. I had to shave a little bit of the metal to get it in. I hit it a couple times. It's in. Let's finish it up. Okay, so if you follow their instructions word by word, this right here doesn't sit on top of the rails. But if you look at their video, the rails are pushed way far. These rails right here are pushed way far forward. So I'm gonna push them forward until this all sits on top, and then should be dandy. All right, so I did a little bit more adjusting. I wanted to get exactly how it looked like in the video. So what I found out is you gotta have it matched up with that if you wanted to sit exactly how the video looks like. I hope it's not sitting too far forward. It might be sitting a little bit too forward, we'll see. But you put these little cotter or these little locking whatever pin things in, and then now let's put it up. Let it chill, make sure your tailgate's down, grab the canopy top. To take the top one, do the same thing. Hold on a minute. I made that 5 million times harder on myself, but it's okay. All you gotta know is the zipper is on the back window. No. You're supposed to fold this down. Make it easier for one person to do this. They don't make this very easy. Yeah, that's the move. Front on first. Yes, sir. Okay, go do the other side really quick. That was a struggle to get on. That was a struggle getting these on. They're so hard to get on. I forgot to hit record, but there's these 2 bars left over. There's no more bars left over. You can take those 2, pin them together, pull the rear window down, and then there is a little hole right here. I don't know if you can see that little hole right here. Slide it through. There it is. There it is. Goes all the way through. There's these little retainer slots. You slide it in there. Take this, and then you hit that one time right there. It's kind of weird how they make you do this rear one first before doing the front window, because you have to go inside the truck. So I'm just gonna do the front window really quick. All you do is Velcro some stuff, and then that's it. I'm not sure how much you're going to be able to see of this. It's a good thing I decided to do this at night. Alright, so there's 2 flaps. Basically the front flap goes into the channel in between the cab and the truck bed. I'm just going to use 2 of these. Just clean it off with some alcohol swabs, stick these on, pull it down, call it a day. Cool. Pull that over, and that's it. There are some optional things, like you could use these snaps instead of the Velcro. Too much work. Not going to drill into the bed. You could also, if you really want to, Velcro this part, so when you pull this down, it's Velcro down. But I'm good off that. They also give you this tent sealant. I wish they would have told me to do this before I snapped all these in. So, nah, not gonna do that. If it starts to leak, then I'll do it on a dry day. If not, it's staying as it is. Let's do a walk around. These were such a bitch to put on. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. Thoughts, comments, suggestions? Alright. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.